Alright guys, so I made it here to Puerto Galera, which is on the island of Mindoro, and it's about 3 hours by bus from Manila south, and about another hour and a bit by boat. And check out the view. Beautiful view. I made it here to a place called BADLADZ Beach Resort. Pretty ironic name. Not even bad lads. Anyway, I'll show you the room. No smoking, it's a must. Pretty basic setup in here. Got the bed, got the towels here, got the mirror over there, the aircon up there, and check this out. The safe. TV up here, and bathroom. Toilet for the unthinkable, and the shower, and all the freebies over there. Don't go taking them home. Anyway guys, I'll show you one more thing out here. If you're not really into going for a swim in the ocean, but I am going to go for a swim in there very, very soon. Might even check out some sharks or killers. But check this out. The pool. So, pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. Anyway, guys, we're here at BADLADZ Beach Resort in Puerto Galera, and I'm gonna get something to eat. It's kind of serene here, not many people here. I think I just saw one other guy in the resort. I mean, 25 bucks for the night with free breakfast is pretty good. With the views, it is a little bit overcast. It was fine today. Hopefully tomorrow will be fine. But the water is super duper warm. Super duper warm. Feel like grabbing some snorkels and going for a bit of a dive out there somewhere. See if we can do some spearfishing. That would be awesome. I'm the only one here, man.
everyone.
Anyway, it is what it is. Whole pool to myself, whole beach to myself, whole resort to myself. Alright guys, it is time for dindins. Got the rice, got the fries with the sauce and the mushrooms and veggies and the mango juice. Alright guys, so it is my last day here in Puerto Galera and in the Philippines. This morning looking at heading to a nearby waterfall and a couple of other beaches. I think I've got about 6 hours left before jumping back on a boat and heading back to the airport. And it's pretty lovely today. No rain hopefully. But first up, it's breakfast. So breakfast is done. I am now jumping back on the motorbike. I'm going to have a look around the island a little bit more. Decided to go up and check out Sabang Beach, which is in the Palanguan district. And yeah, a little bit more time left. I might check out a waterfall and White Beach as well. And the rain is not scheduled today, which is good. It's getting quite busy here with all these guys on their little trikes. Anyway guys, let's hit the motorbike vibes. Alright guys, so we're at Sabang Beach. Just walking through some of the streets. Had to park the bike. They've got a public parking here, but like the parking is not really labelled and you don't know where to pay. I'll show you guys later on where you pay when I go back there. This place kind of reminds me like Vanuatu Island. A lot of the indigenous people hanging around on the streets, trying to hassle some of the tourists and haggle the tourists. Restaurants here, you got like Chinese influence here, Spanish influence, Japanese influence. The locals waiting for the jeepies or jeepneys, they call it jeepney, which are the long silver metal looking vans. Apparently they're modelled off the old army jeeps, that's why they call them jeepneys. Anyway guys, this is Sabang Beach. We're going to head down to the beach shore and the port, try and throw the drone up, get some drone vibes. There's a lot of the men here hang around the tourist spots to try and sell them tours, bits and pieces like that. Some of the local men. This guy, Mr. Paul. How are you, Paul?
Okay, no problem. Hello.
He's from
Sabang.
Sabang, yeah, but motorbike rental Sabang, right?
Yes.
This way to the beach, huh?
Yes.
Kind of reminds me of Vanuatu. Huh?
Massage.
Massage?
Yes. Yes.
Happy ending, happy ending.
No, this
Ah,
one is
come.
happy. No, this one is happy ending.
Huh?
This one.
Happy ending?
Yeah, the bar.
One of your favorite places, huh? This guy. So how long you been here, Paul?
Huh?
How long have you been here on the island?
no. This is born. Me.
You're born here, yeah. Philippines, huh? You traveled away from Philippines before? Thailand? You've been to Thailand? You've been?
Palawan, Palawan.
Ah, Palawan. Some of the merchandise here. So if people want to come to Sabana, they can come down to the port and meet Paul, and you can take
Yes.
them on a tour guide
Yes.
around the place.
Yeah, going to island hopping.
Island hopping, right?
Yeah.
How many islands in this area? Quite a lot of islands.
This is mini island.
Many islands.
Yeah.
So this is like the little beach area.
Yeah,
Oh, these
the beach
guys
is
are
like
getting
that.
ready for scuba diving.
Yeah. Come going there like that. The end.
Down the end there.
Yeah, going there.
What are you doing down the end down there? What
Yeah. The finish.
is that? Where you go fishing and diving and?
Only this fishing going there. The inside side. This one is diving.
Oh, it's a nice little area.
Yeah, to play the GoPro and going to you can see
Huh?
the flying GoPro.
Drone? Can drone from here?
Yeah, going drone going there. You can see the.
Oh yeah. The police won't mind
No, nothing.
because you're the.
The big.
Huh?
This one is the host like that.
What is that for?
This the
Terminal?
no. This is terminal.
Yeah. So what kind of packages do you sell people? What kind of packages do you
For-
take them to island hopping?
Yes. Island hopping, going to one people. Only the foreigner is Korean, Chinese.
And you rent motorbikes? How much to rent a motorbike for the
boat
day?
name, my boat.
Huh?
My boat.
Ah, your boats.
Yeah, going there. Thailand.
If I'm here a bit longer, then
Not longer, only 20.
no, me. If I'm here longer, I can come back and do one of these.
Yeah. We're going to many times.
Yeah.
I know the going there.
Yeah. Okay. So these guys here are scuba diving. Are they going to one of the islands to do some
Yeah.
diving?
Going inside, diving point.
Yeah. Chinese, huh? Look like Chinese.
Korean.
Ah, Korean. Alright guys, so we have done a little bit of fly cam journey. Now heading back to Puerto Galera port. See you later, brother.
Yeah, see you.
Take care.
Yeah,
Don't
you.
forget YouTube DJ
Yes,
Wiz
yes.
NZ. Take
Don't
care.
forget
See
me,
you
huh?
next year.
See you. Bye-bye.
Good guy, old Paul. Told him he needs to be a tour guide. He'll get a few people instead of just selling the packages. Actually take people around. Alright, so this is where you pay to park your motorbike. And you park your motorbike over here in this little area. It's only about 10 pesos. I think 10 pesos works out to be 30 or 40 cents, which is pretty cheap. Always make sure you lock your bike as well, and lock your helmet onto the bike. That also helps. All right, here we are. Time to hit the island again and check out some of the vibes.